Hi, everyone. My name is Hallie Fischman. I'm a PhD student at the University of Florida, and my lesson is titled Do Invasive Hogs Alter Species Relationships in Salt Marshes? My lesson focuses on the relationship between organisms in a salt marsh and the impacts that invasive species can have on those relationships. The lesson begins with an overview of organismal relationships, including topics like predation, mutualisms, commensalisms, parasitisms, and competition. Slides are provided with definitions and examples for each of those terms. The students are then introduced to invasive hogs. Hogs are a nuisance species in the southeastern US and are known to have negative effects on forests and agriculture. However, very little is known about the impacts that invasive hogs can have on salt marshes. In this lesson, students will assess if and how invasive hog presence alters organismal relationships within a marsh. Students will split up into pairs or small groups, and using the provided organism overview sheet, students will build a salt marsh food web. Initially, they will be prompted to only include predatory relationships, as these are slightly more intuitive. Then the included worksheet will prompt students to identify mutualisms, commensalisms, and parasitisms within this system. Once students have built that relationship web, they will incorporate hogs. Hogs consume mussels, but do not have any direct effects on other species in the relationship web. Students will use their web and the provided worksheet to evaluate the hypothesis that hog presence impacts under half of the species in the salt marsh. At the end of the activity, students will see that salt marsh species are highly connected, and invasive hogs can impact an entire ecosystem by altering species relationships. Predation of mussels by invasive hogs changes competition between species, modifies the food web, and breaks down mutualism. Students will learn that species relationships are delicate and that one invasive species can have cascading impacts. Thank you.